Hello, listeners. Are you ready to how to record? Learn how to record with your smartphone. Please listen. This is very important to you and your classmates in colleges and universities. I bet with you that you will learn how to do this. So, please listen. Lately, you are in school, but you are not doing well in your classes, also known as courses, in your colleges and universities. Here are my reasons why you are not doing well. Look at this. Here are the reasons why students are not really doing well in your courses. Because students who are in college do come into class with their smartphone talking to anybody during lecturing. Second of all, some students skip class because it's not really a big deal to your career. If it's really a big deal to your career, think twice because I think college is your beginning after high school. And as a matter of fact, this is your life. So bear with me that if you pass this course, it might be your career. My third reason why students are not really doing well because students who are in classes disturb the lecturing by announcing stuff that does not make sense. So, please do not disturb class because other things can wait. Wait. What can change? What can change? Using your smartphone does not mean you can talk to people. I told you that. So, secondly, it does not only mean you can film the class because you may hear what is up in the lecturing. Next one, let's just stop it and record it by pressing the sound recorder in your smartphone to record what is being lectured. Now, the next one that I will tell you there is get to class on time or a few minutes early. When you get to class, find a place to sit. I recommend you sitting in front. Yes, in front. So you the set up to begin when the teacher is lecturing you in your courses. Now, bring out your smartphone and open up Sound Recorder. It should be in your smartphone. If you don't have one in, then download it and install it on your app. When you're done installing it, open it up and press record to begin recording the lecture. It is important to you. Here's the next one. Why I have to tell you this. When you record lecturing in your class, record the lecturing from the beginning to the end. It may be every school day, but just record every one of them because if students do not know it, you can share to them if you have the hearing from the lecturer. You should have enough space to record them so you know where it starts and when it ends. If the memory is filled up on your smartphone, then transfer it to your computer, or better than that, your flash drive, flash card, so you can save them. No additional connection required. Students, you do not need any additional connection like left-right cable or audio-video cable. It is only one material, smartphone. This is today's idea I'm showing you. Dropping out of school is no excuse, so you should have a copy in lecturing that is educational. And finally, do not disturb when classes are being lectured. Really, do not disturb the class. Just wait until it's over. Thank you.